Today, I'm filled with immense joy as we come together to celebrate the opening of the upgraded flower section of the Suva Central Municipal Market.
Thank you. While we remain standing, let's just dedicate this time.
As I was making my way in, I could see a lot of flowers. Already I've seen a lot of flowers. I could see the flowers in the attire of the vendors that are present here this afternoon. I want to express my heartfelt appreciation to the hard-working flower section vendors whose unwavering dedication and valuable contribution has transformed this area into a bustling hub, attracting visitors from near and far. The efforts have played a vital role in the prosperity of this, and for that I commend each and every one of you. I remember a few months ago, I was asked by the Assistant Minister for Women, Children and Poverty Alleviation. I was asked, Honorable Minister, when are you going to upgrade the flower vendor section of the Suva Central Market? And I told her, we are going to complete it. We are going to complete it. Acknowledging the importance of providing a healthy, a conducive trading environment, the Suva City Council has implemented a comprehensive repair and maintenance program for the entire market. This program aims to ensure the facilities remain in optimal condition, fostering the success of all traders. In the past 6 months, the Council has made substantial investments in several upgrade initiatives. These include the refurbishment of the roof covering along Usher Street and the Farmers section with an estimated investment of $510,000. Additionally, the juicy selling area has undergone a complete makeover, and this flower market area has been upgraded at a cost of nearly $30,000. Let's give a big round of applause to the Suva City Council. Ladies and gentlemen, the upgraded flower section now offers space for 36 vendors with a new structure designed to incorporate cross-ventilation, natural lighting, and effective product display. These enhancements not only elevate the visual appeal of the section, but also provides a more pleasant, inviting experience for both vendors and customers. For many years, the Suva Central Municipal Market has served as the heart of our city, renowned for its active role in the local supply chain of agricultural produce, seafood, and other locally sourced products. Its significance as a bustling nerve center is evident through the high volume of pedestrian and vendor traffic it attracts. On Fridays and Saturdays alone, we witness an average of 1,700, an estimated 55,000 pedestrians. Furthermore, the proximity of the Suva Central Bus Station terminal adds to the vibrant atmosphere. Currently, the bus terminal records approximately 70,000 monthly trips, with Lotoka City falling behind an estimated 25,000 trips. In Fiji, the management and operation of the municipal markets follow a unique public-private partnership structure. The public entity provides a facility to MSMEs, including market vendors, farmers, granting them spaces for wholesale and retail activities. Therefore, nurturing a cordial and mutually beneficial relationship between the vendors and the Suva City Council is crucial to maintain a clean, hygienic, and thriving trading environment. It is vital that both parties are well aware of their duties and responsibilities, ensuring clear demarcation of selling areas and adherence to prescribed conditions. We must all take collective responsibility for maintaining a healthy and hygienic facility, with vendors and the market working together as a unified team. To further enhance these facilities' upkeep, the Suva City Council has planned the following upgrades set to commence in July this month, 2023. 1, construction of a new public convenience facility, upgrade of the fish market area. My Tawe is now raising, I think, acknowledging assistance, because they've come to my office and requested for this assistance. Improvement of lighting within the facility, introduction of yearly painting program. Moreover, discussions are underway with the Fiji Roads Authority to explore avenues for improving Usher Street, creating a more favorable trading environment during weekends. Sometimes when you drive around here, sometimes after 10, you always find a place to be filled with traders, filled with commuters, filled with traffic. So it is something that Suva City Council is trying to improve and hopefully trying to add some value to the current facility. These investments are essential and direct benefit all users of this market facility. In conclusion, I want to extend my best wishes to all the flower section vendors as you continue your remarkable business endeavors. It is through the unwavering dedication of farmers and vendors like you that we can strengthen domestic economic development. Rest assured that my ministry is fully committed to providing the necessary support to foster market development and improve local trade. With these few words, ladies and gentlemen, it is my utmost pleasure and honor to officially declare this upgraded facility open. May God bless the Suva City Council. May God bless all the flower vendors that are here. May God bless Fiji. Maksabaya.